Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I'm going to show you One UI 7 best hidden features, and I know 90% users don't know about these features. So, let's begin. Okay, guys, first you have to download Good Lock on your Galaxy device. Okay, after download, tap and open. And guys, after open, now download one hand operation. Now after download, simply open one hand operation. After open, I'm going to show you best useful features for your Galaxy device. Then simply turn on one hand operation. Then simply guys choose anyone or depend on yours which side you want to turn on. So I will choose right handle. Simply turn on right handle and tap and go to advanced options. And guys simply tap on straight left, and after tap you can see many options in this. And guys you can see back key. Simply go back and set your handle touch, width, size and position according to yours. So guys you can see I will set my handle position, and now guys you can see all these options. Simply scroll, and guys this is normal options, normal features. Then simply scroll and you can see main options in this. Now this is main features. Guys I will explain one by one all features. Now simply turn on widget. Now you can see widget. You use widgets on your any apps. Simply tap and hold add widgets. And guys you use widgets on everywhere. Now second option is task switcher, and guys simply swap and you can see you directly change your recent apps with this option, like setting Galaxy Store, all recent apps you can see, and I will switch directly with this option. Now next option is quick tool. Guys this is small control center. You can see small control center on your Galaxy device. Brightness, volume setting, volume slider and many control center option directly use with this option, and you use in everywhere like calculator, and you can see you directly use control center with this option. Simply close, simply close, swap again. Now next option is virtual touchpad. You can add virtual touchpad with this option like this. You can see virtual touchpad. and I want to open any app with virtual touchpad, then simply tap and open. Now next option is floating navigation buttons. Guys, you set your device with full screen gestures, then now you can see you directly enable or disable back buttons with this option and use anywhere. And you also hide this option directly. Next option is keyboard shortcuts. You also set keyboard shortcuts with this option. Now next is quick launcher. Guys, you can see app drawer directly used with this option. And you also add many apps on this option. Now guys, next option is hide handle. This is normal option. You also hide handle with this option. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, so like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.